Hey, two friends. So I have with me a plastic model kit 1/24 scale of the Lamborghini Huracan, and is by Aoshima. Um, here's what it looks. Here's what the box looks like, and this is what the completed model is supposed to be like. And as you can see, this is a licensed product from Lamborghini, so it should be good. And I've already checked it out, and it does seem to be very good. All right, these are the instructions. I'm going to photograph them and put them at the end so you can see what they look like. Okay. This is the body. Let me get scissors. All right. Very glossy Aoshima plastic. I built two kits of them already, and the plastic tends to be very glossy. I actually have to sand them down for paint to take. So the body comes in different parts, obviously. I think the rear part and the front part and the side part. So the paneling is not as crisp as what I would like. It's a little bit muddy. It doesn't have like that fine, crisp, detailed look that I normally expect from a Japanese model kit. But I think of all the major Japanese kits, Aoshima, Tamiya, and Hasagawa, and Fujimi, I think Aoshima is probably like the least in terms of quality, based on my experience so far. And this is a fairly modern kit. It's still available. It's been issued in the last 5 years, so there's really actually no excuse for it. Most of the modern kits are really I made a mistake. I shouldn't have taken it out of the plastic container, but anyway. So these are the clear plastic parts. It looks like for the front lights, rear lights, side lights, and of course windshield, etc. I'm going to put it back right away because we don't want this scratched up. All right, more clear parts in red and in orange. I'm assuming these are for either the rear or the side lights. I'm pretty sure these are for the rear. So I'll set them aside. These look like body panels or body parts, license plates, air intake, side mirrors, side skirt, rear hatch. I'm just checking out the detailing and the plastic, and there's not a lot of flash, which is good. Not a lot of mold lines, which is to be expected for a modern plastic kit. I bought this online, by the way. I don't think it's readily available in the United States. Maybe you can pick it up on eBay, but I actually had to special order this from Japan. These are the chrome parts, a little bit too shiny for my taste. Chrome exhaust tips, rear view mirrors, light buckets. I mean, they're all right. And by the way, that noise you're hearing is my dog. She's got a hold of my flip-flops and doing unspeakable things to it. This looks like the header for the roof. Interior bucket, seats, molded in 2 parts, and door panels. I'm gonna have to go in line to check to see how these are gonna be painted. So I have no idea. I've never been in a Lamborghini Huracan, so I have no clue what the interior is supposed to look like. But that's what we have. Google, right? All right, so this is the front. I'm gonna check to see if I can assemble the front, glue on the front before I actually put it mounted onto the chassis. I mean, it looks good. It looks really good so far. And I believe this is the back. Or maybe, maybe it is the front, more of the front. Yeah, I think this is the back. I'll see. Not in a rush to find out, right? Okay. This is the back. This is, I believe, the front. Interior details, the grills. More grill, engine parts. Steering wheel, nice detailing. This is the console. It has a lot of good detailing. You can, somebody who's really fastidious can probably pick this out with paint. This is dashboard. Again, the detailing is really superb. And it looks like this is the engine mount or something along that line. And this is a set of the wheels. It looks like there's 2 sets. So, this is typical Aoshima. They do give you more than, they do give you 10 extra parts. Exhaust, engine. All right, and it's molded in kind of like a metallic gray paint or plastic. Not bad. I mean, the details are there, so hopefully they'll come out well, because you can see the engine through the rear hatch. So this is the chassis. Nice underside detail. Okay, this is the other set of wheels. Let me see. And you can see that they are actually different. So you can have a choice of whatever wheels you want. Nice, very nice. And these are chassis parts, disc brakes, windshield wipers, miscellaneous drivetrain parts. This is probably the opening for the rear hatch. All right, and these are the tires. They are rubber. They feel rubbery, so I'm assuming they're rubber. Good tread pattern. Not a lot of flash on the tires, which is good. So I don't have to worry about trying to get rid of it. You can see right here that there's not a lot of mold lines. You can barely see it. So good, very good. Oh, and it does come with window masks. So that is a big plus. I think some of the modern kids I've been noticing have been have come with this. This is indispensable because like as you can see, like the windshield trim can be very complex. Like these, these guys right here. And so, it's just very difficult to mask without these prefabricated masks that the manufacturer. Okay, so these are the decals. It's not a whole lot. So instrument panels, emblems, license plate, not a whole bunch there. So, and I'll take a photograph of all this so that you can see it up close. And this kit does not come with a photo etch upgrade kit, but I bought it elsewhere. And this is made by Hobby Design. I bought this online. So, again, this is not part of the kit. But I just want to show you, what you could do with it. So the photo etching, it replaces a lot of the grille parts, some of the engine parts, the mirrors, interior details. It has looks like a floor mat, speakers, radiator, brakes, nice. And yeah, it's should add, a bit of realism to this kit. I started to use photo etching, and they are really, really a godsend in terms of, giving your model that extra something. So yeah, you can see, looks like the floor mats and the license plates, the shift paddles, and then you see here like the grills, and then also it has seat belts, and what else is in here? This is material for the seat belt, I believe. These are metallic decals, always nice. And these look like exhaust tips and seat belts receptacles. All right, so there you have it. Thanks for watching, and I'm going to photograph all these parts and post it for you so you'll see exactly what you can expect when you order this kit yourself. And I'm going to also post a link to where I got this kit. Again, the only places I could find them were Japanese distributors from Japan. And postage was, of course, murder. But anyway, that's, what can you do? If you love making models, then that's just the price you pay. All right, so stand by for photographs, and thanks for watching. If you like this video, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.